In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the warranty on your Samsung mobile. So I'll show you how to check whether the phone has a warranty, and if it does have a warranty, when the warranty expires. Now it's easy to do, so first just go and load up the settings on your phone. And then from the settings page, we're going to scroll right down to the bottom and click on About Phone. Now underneath SIM card, you'll see an IMEI number. And all you need to do is hold your finger down on this to go and copy it, and it should say copied to clipboard. You can then head out of this window and go and open up an internet browser. Now in the search box, type in unlock boot and press enter, and you'll need to click on this second website, which is Samsung IMEI checker, and go and click on this. Now in the search box, just go and paste in the number that we just copied to the clipboard. You can then click on I'm not a robot and click on the arrow next to the number. You can then scroll down this page and it will show you your warranty information. So you can see here that my warranty is until February the 23rd, 2027.